wonder you were so happy with this system being the variable speed unit.
Why is that?
No, just they're incredible units here. This is Dan with Hydro-Chem Systems, Grand Rapids, Michigan. This is one of our variable speed, variable flow wash down or pressure cleaning systems here. This is actually on the second story of the bus garage. This is similar to the one we shipped out to California recently, last week. Yeah, we're here at Wall Lake Public Schools here near Detroit, Michigan. So this is kind of the installations we put together for our clients. Other than the fact that it's been maybe too cold this month to really clean too much, this stuff's working phenomenally well. They love the soaps and everything else that we're providing. This is our 480 volt system. You can see the dual plumbing kit here. Just to give you an idea, this is the huge pump and motor combination. You can tell by the size of my hand here. For more information on these and other pressure cleaning system, wash soaps, etc., contact us at Hydro-Chem Systems, 1-800-666-1992. That's 1-800-666-1992. You can also go on our website at hcsclean.com. That's hcsclean.com, and our email is sales@hcsclean.com. We can send you up information on these, our hot water pressure cleaning line, which include Landa, Hydro-Tek, Ramteq, Largo, pressure cleaning systems, along with Pressure Pro cleaning pressure cleaners. Once again, just give us a call when you're ready. Thank you.